With AI, is writing a book still relevant whether you're giving it away for free to get leads or selling it to make money? The answer is yes. In fact, it will now be very useful for your prospects or customers to have your book. And by the way, if you don't have a book or don't know how to write one or no time to write one, it is okay. I'll share with you the AI book writer software that can help you write in just one day. And it requires no writing experience or knowledge of the book's topic too. Back to how to make your book valuable for your readers so they want it. Ironically, this is achieved by using AI. Today, your readers don't need to read your book entirely anymore. They just need to have it in their hand. Here's what you can do. Suggest them to use NotebookLM by Google. This is how NotebookLM looks like. But keep in mind, it may look different depending on when you're watching this video. Step 1. Upload the book into NotebookLM. There's an upload button. Just use that and wait for it to upload. Step 2. Once uploaded, NotebookLM will have some default features that will help them to learn the book's key points. I want to show you one example. And this is the example where I have uploaded my own book, Money, Present and Future, into Google NotebookLM. And I'm going to demonstrate to you how, by using AI, your book reader could get much more value from your book. So whether they have read the book and they want to gain even more knowledge from it or better understand the book, they can use AI. Or maybe they don't even want to read the book and they just want the summary of it and key highlights, key points that they can learn. So you can see here, first it generates a simple one paragraph summary. But this is not sufficient enough for someone to learn about the book. This just gives a summary. So you can see there's this button here called Briefing Doc. If you click on this, AI would now create a summary for the entire book. While it is waiting for it to be generated, I will proceed to click another button here called FAQ, and then I will come back to it to explain how this can help someone to gain more from the book. Okay, so now let's start with the first one here. You can see Money, Present and Future, a practical guide. And here's the summary of the book. See that? Now, of course, I know all of this to be accurate because I'm the author of the book and I can vouch that the content here is the same as what I have shared in the book. So imagine someone use AI to help them get summary of the book, and if they like the short brief of this, they can now consider to read the entire book to learn everything else. Okay, the other cool feature is the FAQ here. I will go ahead and click here. Now, when we read a book, we do not know what could be the important information there, right? Or we may not know what question we should ask when we are reading the book. Guess what? With AI, it helps you to give you the important information. What is the central idea behind Money, Present and Future, and how does it differ from other financial books? Money, Present and Future focuses on the practical application of financial principles based on the author's personal experiences rather than abstract theory. It aims to provide a playbook for avoiding debt and achieving financial independence by addressing present financial issues and laying the foundation for future wealth. And all of the FAQs here. Remember the briefing doc? Well, that is for someone who likes to read. At the same time, you can also use this audio overview, and AI will generate a special dialogue between two people so that it sounds more interesting to give you an overview for the entire book, and also it highlights some of the key important points. So I will just go ahead and play this for you to give you an idea what do I mean by a dialogue.
All right, let's dive into the world of personal finance today. I know you're ready to learn some more, and the excerpts that you shared from Patric Chan's Money, Present, and Future were interesting to me. This is not your typical, hustle harder advice. He seems to have a different perspective on how to achieve financial freedom while enjoying life along the way. So let's see what unconventional wisdom we can unearth.
Yeah, you've really hit the nail on the head there. I think what's so refreshing about his approach is that he really starts with the psychology of money. He doesn't just jump into investment strategies.
So I'm hitting the pause button here simply because I just want you to see there are two different people having conversation about the book. This is much more engaging and interesting comparing to a monotone audio of someone reading the book, right? Step 3, they can also turn the book into an AI book where they can ask questions or chat with it. Why is this so powerful? Now it is as if that you can ask questions to the author of the book, or maybe to have a chat with the author himself or herself. You see, when we read a book, we can learn valuable information. However, they are general in the sense that it is information that is applicable to everyone. But what if you want the author to give you his opinion based on the book's content for your case? Let me just do a demo here so that you know what do I mean by that. So let's say I'm a waiter who earns where my monthly income could be different each month because it's dependable on the tips. If I earn more for a specific month, suggest how I should use the extra money so that I can earn more in the future. So here's the answer. Now it gives specific information here. And keep in mind that AI is only based on two key information here. One, that this person is a waiter, and second, the income fluctuates. If the user of this AI wants to learn more of this specific suggestion, then there are all these numberings where it will lead to the citation of the book's content itself. So speaking about access your current financial situation, well, this is the chapter about that. So if you need to learn more, you can always read it here. So let's continue and expand further here to get more tailored answer. I'm planning to buy a house next year. I am currently 23 years old. Would this be a good suggestion? And if you need more data to give me the suggestion, please ask what you need to know. Alright, so it will be beneficial to focus on the following before buying a home: building a solid emergency fund, clearing any debts, creating a stable savings and investment plan, ensuring a stable income. By answering the questions above, you will be in a better position to determine if buying a house next year is a sound decision for you. At the top here, AI will give some suggestions first before they make such decision. But do you see the power of how someone could ask questions to the book with AI? Let's say that person doesn't have any question to ask in particular. They can start by using the suggested question by AI. Like in this case, what are the author's 3 money allocation buckets? Okay. And once AI generates the answer, that person can continue to ask based on specific information. So, welcome to the new AI trend where A book can now be valuable still. And NotebookLM by Google is free. Kinda cool, right? Anyway, if you want to have a book written in just one day by using AI, check out composechapter.com.